subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi is all set to launch its upcoming flagship devices under Mi 10 series, which will likely include Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. The company is also expected to launch Mi 10 Explorer Edition, just like the Mi 9 Explorer with transparent back panel. Recently, a teaser poster of Mi 10 Explorer has spotted on Chinese social media site Weibo that shows the first look of the smartphone. According to the leaked teaser poster, the Mi 10 Explorer is seen to support a punch hole at the top left corner of the display for selfie camera, and the screen looks to be curved. The rear panel of the phone appears to be transparent, similar to Mi 9 Explorer, and it carries vertically aligned penta-lens camera setup at the top left corner, including some sensors, and there is also a dual LED flash present beside the camera setup. The camera details were not known at the moment, but we can expect the smartphone to include one RGB sensor as the main camera, accompanied by ultra-wide-angle lens plus telephoto lens plus macro lens and a portrait lens. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge in a different color. Apart from this, there is no other details of Mi 10 Explorer Edition has leaked so far. Talking about the release date, the Xiaomi is reported to launch Mi 10 series smartphones on February 11 this year, and on the same day we expect the company might launch Mi 10 Explorer Edition as well. So as of now, that's all we know about the Mi 10 Explorer Edition phone, and we'll come to know more detail about the device in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.